Hi guys, let's clean beans, and when you see me with beans like this, you know that it's moimoi o'clock. So I'm going to show you guys how I clean my beans. I haven't done this in a while, but I have a project that I'm working on that I need to do this. I need to get this done. I love to clean enough, so I will either leave them in the fridge or I will dry them. I love drying my beans by myself. I don't like buying dried beans in the market. Okay, so let's clean. So I'm going to be using the fruit processor for this, and I'm going to be using not the blades but the plastic one. And these beans have been soaked in the water for 3 hours. So I'm going to add the beans into my food processor. Okay, now I'm going to put the lid on. I'm not going to process all at the same time because I have 2 kg of beans. So I'm going to start on the blender. The reason why I'm using the plastic one is that no matter how much speed you put this, it will never break the beans because it's not the blade. But if you're using the blade can easily break the beans, and you have your beans already blended instead of washing them. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm going to transfer this one into another bowl because I need to process all before washing. Okay, I'm done processing the beans. I'm going to start adding water. I love the water to flow on top of the beans. This way you can easily get the chaff of the beans out. I'm going to start filtering them here. I have a lot of beans. I think I'm going to divide them into 2. Let the water run again. The hardest part about cleaning beans is this last one that is stubborn. I call them storm beans. The others will be peeled and they will refuse to cooperate. And the magic of cleaning beans by yourself, in case you don't know this, when you are filtering the beans, make sure you are shaking your bowl like this. This will help get rid of the chaff easily instead of you to go there and start picking them all over again. You see, the beans is down while the chaff is on top of the water. So this is why it's very easy for me. This is why I don't bother buying already peeled beans. Okay, I am done. This is all that came out of it. I'm going to show you the real beans because I'm excited. This is what I got from 2 kg of beans. I'm excited because I have beans. I can freeze them. I do freeze them sometimes, and sometimes I just dry them and have them whenever I want to use them for akara or moimoi. The dry one, I soak them in the water a night before. The freezer one, I just remove them and blend, or you can also leave them in the fridge and allow them to defrost a little before you blend. So thank you for watching.